The fruit of your own hard work is the sweetest. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. This story is about one of the shortest Indian television and film actor who mainly appears in television serials, Bollywood and Bhojpuri films. He is best known for his role played in Sub TV's Gutur. Yes, he is no other than KK Goswami. So let's know more about him in detail. KK Goswami was born on 3rd September 1973 at Muzaffarpur in Bihar. As a child, he was mocked in public by his neighbours, relatives and schoolmates. When he was about 10 to 12 years of age, a circus group approached his father to sell KK Goswami to them. They were even ready to pay 50,000, but his father refused to sell his son. His parents were always by his side and stood with him as pillar of strength and support. After graduation, he moved to Mumbai with a dream to become an actor. Now started his real struggle. There were times when he got food for only one day and the rest 6 days he survived drinking water. He had to struggle for almost 7 to 8 years. During this time, one of his friends suggested him to work in a beer bar where he would get regular income as well as food. But when he went to the bar, the watchman at the entrance started beating him and threw him out. Because of this incident, he made a firm decision that anyhow, one day, he will become a successful actor and change the society's looks towards the dwarfs. There were times when he was broke, lost hopes and wanted to go back to his hometown. But he would think about the beer bar incident. Finally, in 1997, he got a break and he made his debut in the Bollywood movie Kam Scene, The Untouched. He also got to work in TV serials like Shaktiman, Junior G and so on. Initially, the scriptwriters would hire him to increase their TRP, but with time and his hard work, he started getting main roles. Till date, he has appeared in many movies like Lawaris, Bhoot Uncle, etc. He has also worked in television serials like Gutur, CID, Ssshhhh Koi Hai, etc. Talking about his personal life, KK Goswami is married to Pinku Goswami and has 2 kids. KK Goswami has proved that height doesn't matter. Hard work plus dreams plus dedication is equal to success. So this was the story of KK Goswami. Hope you liked it. Thank you. If you like my content, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button.